Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Vinny with GS Software. As always, our goal here at GS Software is to provide Excel software that makes your life easier and automates as much of your work as possible, saving you time and money. So the tool that I'll be showing today is another tool in the distance calculator family. The problem we're solving is how you get driving distance and driving time based on the time of the day and a different day of the week, right? So one of the problems that my clients have been dealing with is calculating driving time and driving distance based on different times of the day. Because of traffic, driving time will be different a Sunday at 9 p.m. versus a Monday or a Tuesday at 5 p.m., right? During peak times. So the tool that I'm showing you allows us to account for that driving time and day of the week. As I mentioned, the tool is built in Excel like all of our tools, and there is nothing to install. Just all you need is a working version of Excel, probably 2010 and earlier. It works in both Mac and PC. So let me show you how it works. First, let me show you the settings tab. You will need a Google Maps API key. All of our tools use the Google Maps API key, so I do have instructions on the website on how to get that. It's free of charge. You can set up the miles, whether you or not to avoid toll roads, and we will need a departure time and a departure date. And once we do that, then the rest of it is easy. We just paste the starting addresses in column B and the ending addresses in column C. We hit calculate, and the tool will make those calculations of both distance and driving time based on the time of the day that we have specified. I also understand that your needs might be different, and it is my hope that you'll contact me. My contact name and number are at the description of this video, and I can make any changes and update or any custom tools that you need, whether in Excel or in web-based. To download the tools, just click the link on the description. It will take you to the web page where you can download and purchase the tool. Until next time.